love it. Let's go.
Legendary! Legendary! All right, everybody, we are in Georgia right now. We have just dropped off Orange Crush at Toner's Garage, man. One of the highly talked about vinyl rappers, bro. You know what I'm saying? So, you know me, I got to bring Orange Crush 392 to the best. Toner's Garage is the place to go. So, I got the family with me. We going to IHOP to get something to eat, man. You know what I'm saying? And we probably going to do some shopping or something. I don't know. I really don't know what I'm going to be doing. You know what I'm saying?
Shopping?
But
You said shopping?
shopping is the way to go, girl. You know what I'm saying? So, man, what do you think? You like shopping?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? But, listen, we are gonna go get something to eat, probably go do some shopping, and tell Toner Garage gives us the call. We will be in Georgia. You know what I'm saying? So, I can't wait, man. I can't wait for the call. As soon as he give me the call, I'm gonna pick the camera back up because I got to show y'all what magnificent job that Toner Garage does, man. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm hungry. Baby, you hungry? Yeah, you hungry?
Yeah. I think your son is hungry.
SJ, you hungry too?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Everybody, this is my newborn son. He is a month old. He is a month old. Look at this guy. Does he look like me? Hold on, let me see. God, dog, he don't look like me. Okay, I'm sorry. Everybody hungry? Let's go get it. All right, guys. Toner Garage just sent me a text to let me know that my car is ready. Oh man, I'm so hyped for this right now, bro. I'm so hyped for this. We are en route right now to go see how Orange Crush is looking right now. You know what I'm saying? So I'm taking y'all with me, man. So hey, be prepared for what you about to see, because Orange Crush has just went up to the next level. You know what I'm saying? Especially messing with Toner Garage, because the boy do good work. Oh my God! You know what I'm saying? So, hey, when I pick up the camera, y'all would exactly see why I'm acting like this. Man, let's get it, man. Hold on, y'all. We at Toner Garage right now, man. Toner Garage, y'all hook your boy up, man. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, legendary beast Hellcat right there, man. Legendary beast Hellcat. There's nothing more to say about that. You know what I'm saying? 6.2 liter supercharged. Hey, look at the brakes on that thing. Sheesh. Hellcat symbol. Legendary. Well, this thing sound like a beast too, bro. Sound like a beast. Anyways, hey, let me tell you, Orange Crush family, behind that door is a legendary itself. Get ready. Let me go holler at your boy. Hold on. Follow your boy. This is legendary stuff today, man. You know what I'm saying? Behind those doors right there, man. Behind these doors. Legendary stuff. Oh, what's going on, Cap? I'm back.
Give me 1 second though.
Yeah, 10-4. 10-4, man. You know what I'm saying? Toner Garage, man. Toner Garage, hook your boy up. You know what I'm saying? I know this joint about to be legendary, bro. I didn't know that. Legendary status. It's about to be big. Why is it so big? Hey, I've been waiting on doing this for so long, bro. I should have been and did it, but I been tied up doing a bunch of stuff, so finally got it done, man. You say, Mom, you like that? Huh? You say it's about to be straight legendary?
Yeah.
It's gonna be legendary, man. You know what I'm saying? Real for real. All right. 10 for more. Move on that. Yes, sir.
Ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready for that. All right.
5, foam, elevate. Let's go.
Legendary! Legendary! Bro, I appreciate this to the highest.
No problem, man. No problem.
Golly!
It hit different at first.
God! Oh my goodness! I'm back! Hey, I'm back! Oh snap, bro! Oh man, come on! Please do that order! Come on, man! Oh, put that camera for your boy. Put that camera on that thing. Put that camera on that thing.
Hey, go and tell him who the king of the south.
Hey.
King of the strike.
Hey! My man, Tony Garage, man. Tony Garage. Hey, as I've been explaining earlier, top notch work, man. Hey, where can they find you at, bro?
They can find me. I'm located in Hinesville, Georgia, right outside of Fort Stewart. I can service the Savannah area, Statesboro. I done had people come from Alabama, all over.
Tenfold.
Yep, right here in Hinesville, Georgia.
Hey, y'all see the work? Hey, you see the work right here? That ain't no more to explain. The man that show you the work. You know what I'm saying? That's a legendary status to me. Oh my God. Hey, camera woman, get to the back. I'm so top notch right now. Golly. Hey, cuz, you did the thing.
This something different right here.
Oh yeah, you did that.
I personally, I never seen this color combo.
Right.
Anywhere on Instagram or YouTube, anywhere. You know, most people go with the, with Go Mango.
Yeah.
They go with matte black, carbon fiber, or satin black, but I've never seen anybody do a full white.
Right.
Job with the black paint on the outside, so this one definitely one of them.
Exactly, man. I appreciate it, man.
No problem, man.
Dude, you did that, man. Oh my goodness. Boy, just so nice. Boy, when I. Oh my goodness. I can't stand it. Oh my goodness. You did that, bro. Just like I imagined.
You can show them. What it match to? What it match to?
Hey, come on the inside. This is exactly, y'all already seen the pallet shipping video. Y'all done seen that. Corner Garage got your boy on high class stuff over here, man. You know what I'm saying? This ain't the only work that's gonna be done. I will be back. I will be back. I will be back. Oh, boy. Oh, I love this. Boy, when I hit the county, boy.
Also, my bad, I actually put the little corner garage right here. So it's kind of a ghost.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I like that. What you talking about? Hey, boy, you was well worth that. My goodness. Put that on there, Mom. I'm showing us. On that corner garage, boy. Oh, we gonna wreck that car. When I get back, when I get back home, see.
Let them know.
Yeah, man. 10-4, man. 10-4. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, man. Legendary, man. I like it. I like it. This is the thing.
Now, the question is, who gonna drive the most? You or her?
Huh? Can you say it again?
Who gonna drive the most? You or her? Nah.
Turn the camera off! Turn the camera off! I can't let him hear this! Oh, my goodness, man. Appreciate the work, man. You know what I'm saying? All right. Hey, as y'all see at Tony Garage, this is the type of work we do, so we gonna holler at you. Peace.